The absolute final day of the season on Rollercoin, and there is loads going on. Let's check it out on That Techo Guy. Stay tuned. Okay, so it's pretty much the last day for season 12 on Rollercoin, and let's check out what's going on right now. So on my screen here, you can see all the events that are going on at the very top here, at the top of the homepage in the banners. Okay, so if we go back to the first one, you can see that season 12 Roman Empire. If we click this, we can see that there is 1 day, 2 hours and 25 minutes remaining at the time of recording this video. I had already completed all those quests, but if you haven't, you have until tomorrow to be able to do so. So that is the first one. At the moment, there is the progression event that I've already discussed in the previous video. There's another 8 hours and 24 minutes remaining at the time of recording this video, and the same for the Nero burning Rome. So we've also got other events here, and we've even got final crafting offers. So if we move over to this side, we've currently got a final season craft here, and we've also got a sale where you can get this miner at 9.8 petahash and 4% bonus attached to it. This apparently cannot be sold, because if you actually try to look for it, which I'm going to do right now again, I had actually tried this already, I believe, so I'm going to open that in a new tab. Let's just try to find this and paste. So it's not there, so I doubt that it can be sold. Probably it can't. Okay, so you can get 4% bonus and 9.8 terahash with this miner that cannot be sold, so it's going to be a unique one. There are 446 remaining out of 500 left, but this you need to pay in Solana. It's going to cost you 1.75 Solana, which at the current price of Solana is equivalent to $220, which is around 220 RLT. Okay, so see if that is going to be worth it or not. I've already checked if you can get anything better than 9.8 petahash and 4% bonus at that price point, and there is nothing in the list. I've checked from the marketplace to see what you can do. So what I normally like to do is I go to the marketplace, okay, and here I would say miners, and I would say that the price range is around, let's say 215 to 225, so that's going to be somewhere in the middle. So for 220 RLT, which is the same equivalent, you can get a 6.8 petahash miner with 0.64, or you can get a 2 petahash miner with 1.64, or a 1.7 petahash with 5%. So while this Ruby gift craft gives you a better bonus, it gives you much less power, okay? So you're not getting anywhere in the region of what you would get with the current sale that is going on, okay? So I call it a sale, but it is actually one of the events before the end of the season here, which is called Romer Forum, okay? This has been going on for 4 days. I believe this is day 4, and hopefully there'll be another one, day 5, later on today. So that is that Romer Forum event, and as I have shown you, there is nothing better than this at that same price point if you're willing to spend that much on this miner, okay? Pretty good power there, pretty good bonus as well. So what else is going on? Let's go back to the home screen and we go to page 2 again. Here we've got the final season craft. So the final season craft, unfortunately I can't do it because I've got this missing. I had all of them, and I had 2 of all of them, but most of these I had already merged. I had merged this to the rare already, the column miner, I believe this is called, and unfortunately I don't have it and I can't buy it because all of these cannot be sold, okay? So I can't just buy this one and say, listen, I'm going to craft the Veni Vidi Vici, because I cannot. This is the rare edition. I would be getting 6.5 petahash and I believe 4.58% bonus attached to that if I actually could do it, but obviously I can always buy it, so I can go to the marketplace, but it's not going to be cheap, especially while this is going on. So if I go to buy and I go to Veni Vidi Vici, the rare Veni Vidi Vici is currently at 160 RLT when I could have just crafted that for 25 RLT, but unfortunately I do not have all of them, just missing by 1 miner right there that I cannot obviously purchase. That would have been awesome. Very unfortunate, okay? Had all of them. All right, so back to the home screen. Now, let's see what else is going on. The announcement, again, I'm going to remind you, spend your RST before the season ends. You've got another day and 2 hours and 20 minutes remaining for you to be able to do that. Happy International Workers' Day. We've got an event here going on, which is actually a flash sale. So if we click on that, you can see a couple of miners here, which are up for grabs that you can purchase, hopefully at lower prices. Now, if you actually search for these, because they can be sold, you might actually find them cheaper. So let's say I want to get the M engine, and I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to put that into this, and I'm going to open that in a new tab. So let's search for that M engine. It was 20 RLT there in the flash sale, and on the marketplace, it is currently being sold at 882 for the normal one and 1732 for the uncommon. And this is actually the uncommon one. If you're actually getting 493 terahash with 0.67, okay, that is this one here. So 1732 RLT from the marketplace, still slightly cheaper than the 20 RLT it is being sold here, 1999, okay? Same for Retronite and Roller Million. Roller Million gives you 1 petahash at 5% bonus. Let's see how much we can actually get that for. Here it is at 86 RLT, and here it is at 81.37. Slightly cheaper. You'll be saving yourself approximately 5 RLT there for 4 RLT something, almost 5 RLT. So yeah, from the marketplace, it's still cheaper. So I don't really think that it would be worth it from getting them from the flash sales, unless you obviously want to gain those points for that progression event. If you want to complete the entire progression event that's going on, Fall of Rome, because that will give you many more points. You will be getting points for spending 1 RLT anywhere. You'll be getting 1,000 points for each and every RLT you'll be spending. So it does make sense to buy from here if you want to also get the double rewards, if you want to call them that, from the progression event, and you'll be getting even more than just double, because you'll be flying through the levels by actually purchasing from here. 1,000 points, let's say for this, 20, so you'd be getting 20,000 points easily. So you'd blast through, for example, this level I'm at the moment. I haven't gotten very far through this progression event because when I saw the list of rewards and prizes, it didn't make that much sense for me to actually try to get them all. I had most of the miners. The only one I didn't have was the very, very last one, which in this one was the last defender, which is soon going to be over. So the last defender is the most powerful one that you can get at 3 petahash with a 3% bonus. But I didn't really find it worth even investing and like making the multiplier even higher just to get that last defender. If I wanted to, I could actually buy that from the marketplace, because again, last defender, I believe, is for sale. Okay, so you can get that at 138. Okay, it's quite a lot, but I'm sure that after the event that will actually go down in price as well. Okay, so just strategize this way, see if it's worth it for you or not. Okay, so going back to the home screen, and let's see what else we have here. So RST I've mentioned, spend it before the season end. International Workers' Day, they are getting ×2 points in the leaderboard at the moment if you actually complete Torox surveys and Torox tasks. And obviously, as always, get your lucky loot box. So this is going to wrap up Season 12, and looking forward to Season 13, which will be called Railway. And Rollercoin did actually release a short trailer for that, so let's check that out right now as well. So here it is, just going to load that up, and there it is. Ready for the new railway season. Little hamsters there waiting in the station to board the train. Travel from the past into the future with Rollercoin. So let's see what that is going to bring. It's going to be awesome, I assume. And that was the teaser trailer for Season 13. So looking forward to that one indeed. So back to Rollercoin and my homepage, just a brief update. So I'm going to end the season pretty much with 610 petahash here and 263.52% bonus. I do have a couple of RST, but only 50. So I'll be opening like a parts case, and that will definitely be gone in a flash. I might be able to do a couple of games, might bring that 50 up to, I don't know, maybe 100, 120, and then I'll be able to get maybe a few more parts there to wrap up the season. So let me know what you thought of Season 12 of Rollercoin, and are you looking forward to Season 13 of Rollercoin? What would you like to see in the new season? Would you like to see miners with less power, more bonus, different racks with more bonus? What do you want? What do you want out of this game? I mean, everyone wants to make crypto, obviously, that's the end game. Obviously, the Rollercoin team are making their big cut as well from the game, but what would you like personally from the game? What do you want the Rollercoin team to bring to the table? Let me know down in the comments below and let the whole community know so that we can all learn, grow and share together. So I hope you enjoyed it and I hope that you found this video useful. Tomorrow we start off Season 13 with Rollercoin. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves and thanks for watching.